Hi guys, today I want to show you how easy it is to make a nice healthy side dish for dinner. So today I'm going to roast some veggies. Now this is beyond easy and you can change up the flavors, you can change up what vegetables it is, but I'm just going to kind of give you an overview of how to do it. So today I am preheating my oven to 400 degrees and I have some potatoes, some zucchini, some green beans, and some carrots, and some onion. I forgot to bring it over here. Okay, we found the onion. Okay, and some onion. I have chopped them up. Now, one of the things when you're roasting a bunch of vegetables together, it's important that you chop the veggies that take longer, like the potatoes, into smaller pieces, and the things that might cook more quickly, like the zucchini, into chunkier pieces. So that way you don't end up with some burnt and some not. So things like potatoes, broccoli, cauliflower, those are all gonna roast for about 30 minutes. And then things like peppers and zucchini, those more fragile vegetables, you're gonna wanna cut thicker, otherwise they're gonna burn by the time you're done. So all we're gonna do is I'm just gonna add all my veggies to a bowl. So I have my potatoes, my zucchini, my carrots, I have some green beans that I snapped the ends off of, and finally my onion. I am going to just very liberally add my extra virgin olive oil in here, and I'm going to give it a little mix just to coat everything. So we don't want dry veggies, we want them to have that nice olive oil coating on them. And then you can season it however you want. There's really anything can go. So, I mean, you could use, I have Mrs. Dash here. We have regular Italian seasoning. I like to use this one called Magic Spice, which I pick up every time we go on a cruise down in St. Martin. It's just a kind of a custom blend, but really any kind of seasoning or seasoning salt that you want. You could squeeze a lemon in here. You could do a balsamic vinegar. It's just, I mean, it's really easy to change up the flavors. And we just want to give it some sprinkle and stir until that olive oil and that seasoning has a good coating on everything. So all the pieces in there, you want to have a little bit of seasoning. All right, once you have that done, we're just going to spread it on a baking sheet. And you want to kind of get it in a pretty even layer. Make sure they're not all on top of each other, especially those potatoes and things that don't bake as quickly. And then once we have that in, all we're going to do is pop it in the oven, and for about, I start checking it about 20-25 minutes and cook it until it's done. And just like that, our veggies are done. Now you can serve this with any kind of protein, with a chicken, steak. If you're vegetarian, I have used the same seasoning and roasting method with tofu as well. You just cube up the tofu, and I just add the olive oil and the seasoning in a separate thing. You don't want to mix it with all the veggies because it'll fall apart. But then I just toss it in here, and that's a really easy meal to make, vegetarian, vegan as well. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you're watching on YouTube, please click the thumbs up button. Maybe think about subscribing so I can bring you more videos. Bye-bye.